Hi folks, I've got something new. I've got a Roterfaden Taschenbegleiter. I think that's how you say it, I don't know, there's various, you can look it up and decide for yourself. So this came in the post yesterday. I've been waiting for it for a while, and I thought I'd share with you the opening. It's taken great self-will to restrain myself from wait. So what this is, it's a notebook cover. So I'm going to unbox it. It's hardly an unboxing, is it? So anyway, this is, I bought one of these for our daughter who's just become an assistant psychologist. I didn't buy this one I bought for myself, but this is a notebook cover. Yeah, I bought our daughter the slightly bigger one with the brown cover. This I bought for myself because I wanted something slightly slimmer. I hope you can hear me over the rustling of the paper there. Nice pink paper. So yeah, it's a nice notebook cover in leather. You get these clips, so any A5 notebook will fit in there. You can put stuff in the pockets, as you can see, like business cards or a phone or something. But I'm going to put, I used a Leuchtturm 1917 dot grid notebook. This is my bullet journal thing. But what you do is slot it in there like that, you see, and that's really nice. Look at that. Okay, that's great, and it kind of secures with these two pen loops. So I'm going to put you'll notice that's not got a cover on it, and I'm going to talk about that in another video, because this is a notebook thing. I've been all around the houses with notebooks. I've decided that this one is the best for this purpose for me, but yeah, I'll talk about that in another video. So I'm going to put that in there, but the thing I really want to talk about, which kind of gets glossed over when people are talking about the Roterfaden products, is the booklets. Okay, so I've got one here. This is the notebook, I believe. This is going to be. Man, a lot of pink paper there. Very nice pink paper. So yeah, we'll come back to that in a second. So this is the notebook. As you can see, it's got a nice craft cover. It's nice, lovely red on the top there. Okay, so this isn't actually what I thought it was going to be. I thought this was going to be like a standard notebook, like open that way. It does on the cover, but this has got tear off. I've got tear off sheets, dotted on the front and plain on the back. That's okay, actually. That could be quite useful, because what you could do is keep it somewhere. It could go in there in the clip. This is a voyage of discovery for both of us, ladies and gentlemen. That could go like that. That's fine. It could slide in the back there, maybe something like that. It would fit, I think. Yeah, that would fit in there. Excuse the reminder notification there. Okay, so that's not exactly what I thought it was going to be, but it is a very nice product. Very well made. Very slim and elegant. And I also got this one, which is the Layout 2 calendar. So yeah, they're slightly different sizes. That one is A5, and this was the one that really impressed me, to be honest. And that's why I thought I'd ordered a notebook size, but obviously I haven't. I just absolutely love the way this thing is made. It's slim, it's elegant. I love the craft cover, very nice. But I like the craft cover. I love this craft cover and this stamp thing and the font that they've used. The spine is beautiful with this red thread. You open it up in the middle, you've got the red thread there. Lovely. I love this font. And I actually like this. I bought this Layout 2 because there is a Layout 1, which is slightly different, obviously, because I thought this would help with time blocking on a day-to-day basis, because that's something that's a bit in my head and I could do with putting it on paper when I'm going to do things. You've got also sort of an overview of the year there. Yeah, a monthly spread. The only thing I will say here is there's not actually much room to write anything. You know, if you'd maybe got 2 months on a page instead of 3, that might have been a better idea. Add a couple more pages in. Like, there's very little room to write anything. Even on these, I suppose you're going to write sort of down that way, aren't you? But it's nice as well that they've blocked early morning, afternoon, evening. I really like that. Again, I just love the font. It's very, I don't want to be like a cliche or anything, but it's a really efficient, it's got great German efficiency about it. And it's elegant. And I love it. It just looks really well made. Clean lines. So yeah, I'm going to put my Leuchtturm in there and maybe clip this one in the other side. So I've got like, it's still pretty slim. I see these things on the internet. People have got these Taschenbegleiters and they're absolutely stuffed to the gills. And I'm thinking, it's really not very practical. You see that? I don't know if you can see that. I think a pen would still fit in there to sort of keep it shut. The idea is you slide a pen between those two things and it holds it shut. But that is a really nice, elegant thing. Going to keep my stuff together. Looks really nice. I do feel a bit bad that it's leather, but obviously not bad enough to not have it. I did buy a vegan leather one off someone off Etsy that makes them, and she's in the Netherlands, and it's nice, but it was kind of also a bit like plastic. It didn't wear in any way, and what I'm looking for is for this to wear. The one I bought our daughter has actually got an elastic thing down the spine there. It's got 3 sets of clips. Let's just take a look at this. So this is like an overview of a gatefold thing, an overview of each month, which is actually pretty useful. I tend to write these down in my bullet journal. But yeah, I could see me using that. It was only a couple of euros. And you could always slot that in there the same. Just fit that in the middle of your week. Like that. That's really nice. But yeah, I think that's a really nice, well-made product. I love the font. I love the care that's gone into it. And it's a small company in Germany. 5 people, I think. And I've got a feeling they might make these to order. I think they used to offer lots of customization options and they've streamlined the process a bit. And now they offer just like a range. But yeah, take a look at the website. I really like that. Okay, so that's the Roterfaden Taschenbegleiter and booklets. Really like it, and I'm going to look forward to using this on a day-to-day basis for my bullet journaling and getting things done and keeping track of what's going on in my life. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll leave a link in the description to the website. I'll see you later. One other thing I should say while you're there is this is a little freebie they give you. Excuse the rustling again. It's a little sort of pen holder thing. Look at that. That's very nice. I'm going to keep that on my desk with my pens. These are my Uniball Air and my Uniball Signo 0.7 with a 1 point line, I think it is. Now, my pens of choice because they leave a nice dark line, but they don't go through the paper. But I'm going to talk about that in another video. Okay, so there you go. Taschenbegleiter, booklets, pen holder, job done. If you've enjoyed this video, why not check out one of these others? And if you can click like and subscribe, that really helps the channel. Thanks a lot.